All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you can hear me. Picked up a new GoPro, haven't had one for a while. Kind of got out of the video stuff for a little bit. Just doing some short stuff, but I've had some people ask about doing more videos. So here we are, back at it a little bit. Probably not a lot, but we'll do it and see what happens. Anyway, Princess here on the trailer. I had forgotten we are doing a delete on the cowl emblems here. And then I found a little weird hole in here that looks kind of like it was a factory deal. So filled that in, filled this in. If you guys don't know, these are the normal, these emblems normally go on there. But we're getting rid of on this, kind of going for, like I said, a more modern look. Gonna get this this side here welded up. Gotta go pick up a starter for buddy's Camaro over there. Get the right one in it, because the high torque one took a dump, go figure. He'll get a new one for that, but I'm gonna put just a standard one in it for now. 37 is about ready. We just did a radiator in it. It had the factory one in it and she was leaking pretty good. So got a little aluminum replacement in there. Had to do some modifications to it. Got the trim on it here. I gotta get some bolts to put this front trim in that holds all this stuff kind of together. Kind of a cool little old street rod, probably built back in the 80s. Gonna get it all cleaned up for the lady. Gonna take it out to the Vintiques this year, get it out and enjoy it. So I'm gonna get this done. We're gonna get it on the road, pick up the starter and some hardware on the way. We'll go drop it off at the painter shop, and we'll get back tonight and see what else we can get done.
My starter's out, man.
Is it you want to try and bump start it?
Nah, I probably just push B here.
Is it an automatic?
No, it's a 5B.
Okay, you want it out of there? Yeah. I can help you with that. Get a starter here, the right one hopefully this time. Oh. Successful trip to the hardware store. Now let's see if this turtle start. Perfect. Let's get on the road to the paint shop. Well, here we are. Paint gel. No, not really. These guys are pretty good. A buddy of mine. He does a little bit of everything. right, guys, there you go. Princess is at the paint shop. Well, part of Princess is at the paint shop. Body's there. They are still probably a week or so, I'm thinking, out from getting started on it, but I need to do the trailer and got some other stuff going on. Won't be able to drop it off in a week or so. So she's there, ready to get started on whenever they get ready for it. I'll drop the bumpers and the body parts, the hood, inner fenders, all that stuff off to him when they're ready. I think he's probably, since he has that, going to get started on the body work and getting that primered and sealed, I guess. Then we'll get on the body parts. Like I said, we're going kind of modern with that thing. Going all one color. The top will be black. All the trim's gonna be black. Bumpers will be black. So should look pretty good. Look pretty mean. Gonna go home and get started on the 37, but I'll probably start another video for that. Don't need to make this too long and painful for all of you. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get driving home, get started on the 37, and I'll see you on the next one. So until next time, keep building awesome stuff. Later, guys.